Welcome back. You know how we do it here. It's a happy place here, a place of learning, a place of love. That's what it is about on Creating with Mary. Self-improvement is the name of the game we play here, and we want to create the best version of ourselves. My name is Mary, and I'm the content creator here on Creating with Mary. If you've not subscribed to this channel, the subscribe button is down below this video. Click on it and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any new uploads from me. There was a time in my life, I shared in this video right here, when I was depressed. I called it a state of sadness that was concretized. There was no form of happiness in that season of my life. As a people generally, we tend to identify a lot with what is not going right with our lives and get pulled into that state of sadness, depression, unhappiness. Have you been in that situation in your own life yourself? Feel free to share that in the comment section down below this video. I appreciate your comment. So happiness, are you happy? I would say at this point in my life is the happiest time of my life that I'm conscious, that I'm aware of. We know that as children we are happy. Most children are happy naturally, but for a lot of us we forget, we're not able to capture all those happy moments again like when we were having them as children. But as an adult, I find that people are looking for happiness, or on the internet trying to search out things to do to be happy. Our last topic on entitlement show that in order to be happy, you have to remove entitlement from your life. You don't feel entitled to anything, but you show gratitude for whatever it is that you have, so that more can flow into your life. So in my own experience, I found that in this season of my life, in this period of my 40 plus years on earth, I've been the happiest me that I've known. This is what is true happiness, not hinged on anything, but that is coming from deep within me. So I'm thankful for that. I'm really super grateful for experiencing this. If you're not happy, or you want to cultivate more happiness in your life, watch this video to the end and learn a few affirmations that will kickstart that happiness within you. It is within, but if it's not opened up, if the jar isn't open, it will not open up. So all of us have the potential, but potential doesn't become experiential if we do not learn what needs to be done. So happiness is a state of mind, a state of contentment, a state of well-being where there is more positivity going on within you than there is negative. It's not as if the negative wouldn't come. It's just that you are more aware of what is happening within you. You're more aware of your thoughts and your self-talk, what you're talking to yourself about. This is the essence of this channel. I bring you information that will help you to constantly be aware of who you are, be aware of what's going on within yourself. Remember, it is what is within yourself that you mostly can control. What is outside of yourself mostly are out of your control. So if you can control 100% what is going on within you, there will be a limit to what the external can impact on you. So it doesn't matter what it is you're going through, rather what is going through you in your inside, which is where a lot of what you see outside comes out from. We have already talked about happiness through gratitude, then ditching entitlement. Today we are going to be doing affirmations for happiness. Yes, the more happier people we have in the world, the less chaos and the less confusion that we'll have in the world. Once you're conscious, become aware of the thoughts that are coming and the thoughts you are generating within yourself, you're able to remove those limiting beliefs about I cannot be happy, I'm not the kind of person that can show happiness, my life is not moving in the right direction. All those thoughts will be gradually subdued by the more empowering ones like these affirmations that we're going to be doing today. I have 10 affirmations for us, 10 affirmations for happiness. I deserve to be happy. You can call your name I, Mary, I deserve to be happy. I, E, I deserve to be happy. My future is bright and I'm incredibly thankful for it. The world is a better place and it is a happier place because I am here. I am an unstoppable force for good. I breathe in happiness with every breath that I take. I'm always improving and learning new things that make me happy. I can transform any negative into positive, no matter what it is. Every moment that I am alive, I become happier and happier in my life. I find joy, happiness, and pleasure in the littlest of things. I am happier now than I've ever been. Let us attend affirmations. Repeat these affirmations as often as you can, and you see how it changes yourself in that instant that you're saying those things. Your body and your spirit and your mind are working to affect it, to make it be what it is, because our words have power. Our words are powerful. And remember, don't wait to be happy in the future. You can be happy right now. As we speak, you can be happy right now. We can choose happiness, not because we do not have negative events or things that could sadden us going on within our lives, but we can make a choice that I choose my being to experience these more positive emotions on a regular basis. This is my default setting. You can choose that. So these affirmations will help you to attain that default setting. You're changing the settings of your internal software by affirming what you want encoded in that software. And also, when you find yourself casting your head down low, those postures bring the spirit down. Lift your head up and put a smile on your face. You feel a lot better with that simple action of body posture, and it will become easier for you to develop a positive mindset and for you to follow through with these affirmations. I'd like to have your feedback in the comment section down below this video. Kindly drop them. If you have not subscribed to this channel, the subscribe button is down below this video. Click on it and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any new uploads from me. Kindly click the like button and share with your friends. Thank you so much for watching. Till the next one, stay happy.